In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to Google Calendar with an easy integration tutorial. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and keep everything organized between these two powerful tools, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and walk through these steps together. To start, open up your Google Sheets. This will be the hub for all the information we will transfer to Google Calendar. Once you're in Google Sheets, look towards the top of the page and click on the Extensions menu. Hover over Add-ons and then select Get Add-ons. This will take you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, a place where you can find various tools to boost the functionality of your Google Suite applications. In the search bar of the marketplace, type in Sheets to GCal. This add-on is what we'll be using to bridge the connection between Google Sheets and Google Calendar. Once you locate it, click on Install, follow any on-screen instructions that appear to complete the installation process. This might include granting necessary permissions for the add-on to function properly, so ensure you're comfortable with those before proceeding. With the add-on successfully installed, return to the Extensions menu at the top of your Google Sheets window. You'll now see Sheets to GCal listed there. Click on Sheets to GCal, then choose Import Calendar to Sheet from the drop-down menu. A pop-up will prompt you to select the specific Google Calendar you want to import into your Google Sheet. Choose the calendar that's relevant to the data you wish to integrate. Next, click on the button that says Clear Sheet and Import Calendar. Be mindful that this will erase any pre-existing data in your current sheet, so ensure you've made a backup if needed. Sheets to GCal will then start the import process. You'll see your Google Calendar events being populated into your sheet, either creating a new sheet or adding to the linked one, neatly organizing each event into rows and columns. Lastly, a confirmation dialog box will appear asking if you wish to proceed with the importation. Click yes to finalize the integration, and there you have it, your calendar events are now seamlessly imported into Google Sheets. This setup is perfect for visualizing and managing your events alongside other data, or for conducting more intensive data analysis. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Connecting Google Sheets to Google Calendar can truly enhance your productivity and ensure that all your schedules and data align smoothly. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.